morning, welcome to another video here on my channel. Today I'm in a beautiful place, guys. As you can see, today I'm at a hotel in Colombo, which is one of luxurious hotel in Colombo, named Grand Pearl by Rathna, which is the hotel name. And at the same time I'm at the rooftop in the hotel. As you can see, there's a pool, and I'm also gonna swim after a while, and I also want to show you guys the rooftop. There's a bar as well in the beside of the pool. So I am starting the vlog with the swim, guys, and also I want to show you the bar as well. So let's walk with me to the bar. As you can see, we have 360-degree view in this rooftop. So how is the pool, guys? And also this pool beginning in the 3 feet, and of the end of the pool we have 6 feet. We can dive into pool on that part as well. And we have the chairs, we can rest in that area. Yeah. And we have the lifeguard as well. And this is the sky bar of this hotel, which is very cool place. So this is the bar area, and we have some well organized area to drink. And also this side has the beach view, guys. As you can see, the whole area is the sea, beach, and the buildings as well. Beautiful looking view. It's a pretty cool place. So we can go to upstairs as well. And I have to take a shower before jump into pool. So I'm going to get some swim, and then we will go to our room tour as well. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys, because this is my first, not the actually first, my second luxurious hotel tour. This video is all about hotel tour, guys. So this is the gym area. So we have got 2 treadmills and 1 cycle, and we have dumbbells as well. It's a small area but looking beautiful and organized. A small and very cute looking gym, actually. If you want to exercise, you can exercise here anytime, guys, after you check in. So, and we have got 2 chairs for some rest, and this is the women's changing room, and this is men's changing room. And we have got our lift. This is the rooftop, and our room was 9th floor. Let's go for some swim. මේ පැත්තේ අවුලක් නැහැ. අඩි කීයක් තියෙනවද? අම්මෝ සීතල. So guys, I jumped into the pool in order to do some swim. Actually, I am not much lover of swim, but I love to having bath like this. But I don't know how to swim at the moment. Hopefully I can learn. Right now it's around 11:30 am, but the weather is so cloudy. We don't have sunny weather at the moment. So guys, I will be right back after get some swim, guys. They provide free towels for swimmers, and also you can pay around $5 for 3-hour swim. without getting any rooms. I'm gonna get ready and go for room tour, guys. Good morning once again, guys. So this is our room, around $100 room. So I wanted to show you the everything we have in our room. So first we have king size bed, decorated very well. It's beautiful looking. And also in this side we have a table, chair, kettle, sugar and the mugs and everything, and 3 bottles as well. And also we have a fridge, and this is the balcony we have got. And this is the views, guys. We have another hotel on the right side, and we have got beautiful looking buildings everywhere. You can see buildings. In this part, the beach and ocean, we can see a little bit. View is not actually very good view, the building views in this area on our balcony, but it's very cool. When I come to the entrance part of the room, we have got our bathroom area. As you can see, we have a commode and the sink area, and also we have got shampoo, conditioner, and also we have another shampoo over here and smalls. And also we have a hair dryer, 2 towels well cleaned. This is the shower area. There's a glass barrier as well. And also we have got jet shower. Actually the water pressure level is very good, and also a sensor tap as well. I want to try the pressure of this pressure gun. Oh, the pressure is very good, guys. Every hotel I visit, I check the pressure gun on the commode. Actually, it's a funny thing, I know, but it's very important for our life, I think. Once again, I'm gonna show you the whole view of the room, guys. This is the first impression of our room, guys. Beautiful looking bed, balcony area, the views, TV area and chair. This is our around $100 room, guys. Bit of luxury, not bit of luxury, it's actually luxury, because we have access to pool as well, and also we have got gym, restaurant, and I only see the bad thing in this hotel is we don't have much area to our park. People are struggling to park their vehicles because they don't have a big park. One thing I forget to show you, and every hotel I try this out, so I'm gonna try in this hotel as well. Check how is feel our bed. Oh, it's so comfortable, guys. Apparently it's imported mattress, I think. So it's so good, guys. So it could have been forgotten from me, guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you the restaurant area and the lobby area after a while, guys. So walk with me, guys. Right now I'm at the restaurant area of this hotel. As you can see, there's a large space over here and well decorated tables, and we have buffet area on the right side. And if you want to get breakfast, lunch or dinner, you can do in this area as well. This is the buffet. At the moment we don't have foods, but in the morning we had some foods. this is the massage area, guys. If you want to do some massage, the foot massage and the other massages, you can do from here in this hotel. I wanted to do some foot massage, but I already checked out from the room. Guys, as you can see, this is the vehicle park of this hotel. It's actually very small area, so that is the only thing I can frustrate about this hotel actually. And this is our beautiful tuk-tuk, guys, my travel partner in these days.